Welcome to the part 26 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video, we're going to have a look at R. Alright, so in this video, we're simply going to see how to make some words having the sound of R. So, method of expressing R. Alright, so how we express this R? Well, this R sound is expressed simply by making the circle in left motion. Alright, so by the left motion I simply mean that you have to make circle like this. So this is a left motion, right? So to simply differentiate between the left motion circle and the right motion circle, if I make another circle here like this, then we'll call this as a right motion circle, because if you notice, we just made the circle like this in the right motion. Right? This is a right motion circle, so we don't have to use this method. This is a wrong method. We will be using this method. Again, let's make this circle again like this. Alright, so we make this circle in left motion always to express this sound of R. So suppose if we have a word here called art, right? So how we're gonna make this word art? So first of all, if you pronounce this word, it goes like art. So we have R. See, we have R sound is coming from this word. So this word will be made like this, right? So first of all, we have this circle, and this circle was made in the left motion like this, right? Because if we make this word again, then we will make the circle like this. So if you notice here again, we made the circle in the left motion like this. So we have this first of all circle, which is used to represent the sound of R, and then we have this final T. So we attach this circle with the T. So this is our final word, art. Let's make another word, like we have a word called mar. Alright, so again, if you pronounce, it goes like mar. So we have this R sound again in this word. So let's make this word. Alright, first we have this long stroke, which is the M character. Then we finally attach this left motion circle to express the sound of R. So this word is sounded as mar now. Alright, let's take another word, like a word called arch. Alright, so if you pronounce this word, it goes like arch. So again, we have this R sound coming from this word. So let's make this word. Alright, we have first of all this left motion circle, which is R. Then we finally attach this J, alright, which is a short stroke. So this word is arch. Alright, let's make another word, like suppose we have a word called tart. Alright, so if you pronounce it, goes like tart. So we have R sound again here in this word. So this word will be made like this. Alright, so first of all, we have this T, which is a short stroke. Then we made this left motion circle. Then we again made this short stroke, which is T. So this is our word tart. Let's make another word, like a word called dared. Alright, dared. So let's make this word dared. Again, we have this R sound. So dared word will be made like. Alright, we have this first of all this long stroke, which is D. Then we have this left motion circle, which we used to express the sound of R. Then we have this again long stroke, which is D. So this is our word dared. Alright, so now suppose if we take another word, like a word called church. Alright, we have a word church. So if you pronounce this word, it goes like church. So if you see here, we have sound. Alright, we have sound because if you pronounce, it goes like church. So we have a sound of coming here. Alright, although we are already having the sound of r, but it goes like So to simply represent the sound of we simply use a small circle like this. Alright, in left motion. So to make this word, we'll be simply making this word like this. Alright, so first of all we have this J. Alright, first we have this J character, then we made this left motion circle, and this time we use this small circle because here we are having the sound of alright, although we are still having the sound of r, but together we have the sound coming. Alright, so that's why we use a small circle here and we made the circle in the left motion. Alright, now suppose if we have another word having the sound of so if you have a word called murmur. Alright, we have murmur. So if you pronounce this word, it goes like murmur. So again we have this sound here, and again we have this so we are having these sound 2 times in this word, like we have this sound in this word. So again we will be using the same method as we used here. Alright, so murmur word will be made like this. Alright, so first we have this long stroke, which is M. Then we made this left motion circle like this, and we made the small circle this time, and then again we made this M. Then again we made this small circle in the left motion, and we made the small circle because we have this sound of coming. Alright, so you have to keep this in mind that whenever we have a sound like in any type of word, we're gonna be making the circle in left motion, but we're gonna be using the small circle. Alright, so this is how the sound of R is expressed in any word. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video.